What's up, people? So we are live in the lab, fresh off the IR. That's the injury reserve. But we back now. So right here, so we get an RB. So we starting to do another RB coming up, 25 Neo. So we got the crank out, been doing some measuring and stuff like that. And then we got our pistons back today from being vapor blasted and cleaned. So yeah, that's nice. That's our pistons back. So obviously these things had layer carbon like usual, normal, but these sides, these skirts were very scuffed up. So it got majority of it out, but what we're gonna do next is then go ahead and get these recoated with the Teflon coating. So this will get blasted again with like 80 grit, 100 grit glass beads to prep it to then spray these again with the Teflon coating. So yeah, this engine had suffered some oil starvation, so that's why the skirts on these were quite ugly. So I mean, you can still see some of it, at least I can. You probably can't see it on the camera, but yeah, so this will get hit with 80 grit and 100, and then go ahead and respray the Teflon, bake them, cook them, all that good stuff. So this is CP, so that's a lot less than a whole nother set, and these are good. And then all around the ring lands and all that, so that has nice surface finish. So that's got a real slick surface finish there. So yeah, not bad at all. So yeah, man, that's our pistons. Got them back. Get that little tape off. Got these back. So then next up, take a deep look at these rods and see what I'm gonna do as far as the rods go, and then also go ahead and take apart this oil pump. So he's got the Nitto oil pump. So based off of the way those skirts look, I'm probably sure these gears in here may have a little ugliness going on too. So we're gonna be doing a lot of surface refinishing and coating with this one, which all just make it that much better in the big scheme of things. And then we keep all our sizes what they need to be, keep our clearances where they need to be, and that's it. So I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out of here. Later.